Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It is that time of the month again for Mint Mongoose. I have talked about this jewelry subscription before, Mint Mongoose. If you want to see my previous video that I did last month, I will list it down in my description box. Mint Mongoose is a monthly subscription. I know they do offer two basic types of subscription. This is just the basic Mint Mongoose. I think they both may come in this particular colored envelope. I'm not quite sure. This is the one I have been sent twice from the company, and I really do appreciate them including me in these unpackagings. I love Mint Mongoose. If you are familiar with me at all, you know I am addicted to costume jewelry. I absolutely love costume jewelry, and I love this subscription service. So the basic stats on this are, this is $15.99 per month with free shipping in the United States. In this, you will receive 3 pieces of jewelry. You can pick out and customize the jewelry. You can have them either in silver, gold, or rose gold. And I believe the inside of this package, I think the jewelry in here is a $40+ value. And then I think you can have this with earrings or not earrings included, with watches or not have watches included. And then I do think they do send a gift every 3 months, and that might just be like a pair of cute socks or a really cute hair accessory. Then they also have a slightly more expensive subscription, which is called Mint Mongoose Black. That is $22.99 per month. That one offers a little bit more jewelry. What I will do is I will put both the Mint Mongoose and the Mint Mongoose Black information down in my description box. That way you can compare both jewelry subscriptions and see kind of which one you might potentially like. I love this basic one. I just get so excited when they send it to me. I know that sounds crazy, but like I said, if you would look at my bureau, you would see all the costume jewelry I have there, and you would know I am kind of a connoisseur of inexpensive jewelry. Take really good care of my costume jewelry and it lasts a really long time. So I should have 3 pieces in this month's package, and they really wrap everything so cute with this little mint ribbon, and then they have the little embossed mongoose on there. I don't quite know if I have it the right way. There's a little mongoose on there, and they always include a little Werther's caramel, which I will eat after this. And then they send you kind of what is in your package. They kind of tell you what the inspiration is for it, give you a little information on the set so you can read about your set and what's in your package right here. What I'm going to do is I am just going to open this up. I'm pretty sure this is the June box. Let me open this up and I'll show you what I got inside. I specifically asked them for gold jewelry because I just look better with my skin coloring with gold. And this is all wrapped in mint color tissue paper. The suspense. Okay, so here are my 3 pieces. Let me open the first one. This looks like it is a pair of earrings, and I am an earring fanatic. I love getting new earrings in the mail. Let me take off what I'm currently wearing, and I'll put everything on that I got in my bag. So these are these earrings, which are very pretty. I love these. These are great. Very pretty. Aren't those nice? And I'll put that one on that side. So those are my earrings. Love those. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of those. The next item, okay, so I think this next item is a necklace, and everything seems a lot of times to match, which is really nice. So you may get a set of earrings that go with a necklace or go with a bracelet, and this is really pretty too. I'll get lots of wear out of this. This is adjustable, and I will show you. Isn't that pretty? That's what that looks like. Very nice. And my last piece. Oh, and my last item is a necklace, and this is really cute. I really like this already, I can tell. And actually, I think I can layer this with what I am currently wearing. And these are adjustable, which is nice. There we go. So I am beyond pleased with what they sent me for $15.99 and free shipping in the United States. I will leave all the information for this monthly jewelry subscription package. I want to say box, but it really doesn't come in a box. It comes in an envelope. But I really do love the people there. They're so nice. I appreciate them so much, including me in some of their monthly subscription packages. I told them so much how much I really did look forward to actually receiving surprise jewelry. I would much rather get jewelry in the mail, this is me personally, than makeup in the mail or skincare in the mail. I like that I'm able to customize the jewelry to the color that matches my skin tone that I like. And I also like how there's kind of a theme where the earrings, you know, kind of go with the necklaces, and there's a layering action going on here. I love this. Thank you, people at Mint Mongoose. I will leave a link to Mint Mongoose, their website, down in my description box. And like I said before, if you really want the complete stats on both the Mint Mongoose and the Mint Mongoose Black, which is kind of the upgraded version of the subscription, I will put all the information down in my description box so you can compare them side by side. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed seeing this unpackaging of the June Mint Mongoose package. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.